Supplier purchase orders. A purchase order is a document issued by a buyer to a supplier indicating the type and quantity of goods or services they wish to purchase. The purchase order serves as a legally binding agreement between the buyer and supplier and includes details such as the delivery date, payment terms, and any relevant instructions or specifications. The supplier will usually confirm the order and agree to terms before fulfilling it. In business-to-business transactions, purchase orders are typically used to place orders for goods and services. You can create supplier purchase orders from Suppliers module. Go to Suppliers, Transactions, Supplier purchase orders. Click Add purchase order. Select the supplier from Supplier drop-down menu. After you select the supplier, supplier details will display: supplier balance, VAT reference, credit limit, physical address and postal address. Document number will create from the system. You can set document numbers from company, change company settings. You can enter opening order number and you can select layout for purchase order. System will display the date. You can set delivery date. If supplier giving discount, you can enter the discount. Select items you are going to purchase. Enter unit, quantity, price, tax. If supplier giving discount for you, you can enter discount for in this section, or if supplier giving different discount rate for different items, you can use line discount percentage or line discount amounts. If you have analysis code, you can select analysis codes from here. And if you want to add any notes for these items, you can type here. You can enter document message and you can save this purchase order. If you want to print, you can print or you can email. After you save the purchase order, you can view the list of purchase orders. You can view supplier name, document numbers, order number, date, delivery date, total, printed, and status. In status, there are few status: invoiced, overdue, pending. Invoice is if you have entered purchase order and supplier has sent goods to you, you can convert that purchase order to an invoice. Then status will change to invoice. Overdue is you have sent the purchase order to your supplier and supplier haven't sent the goods within the delivery date. Then status is overdue. Pending is you have sent the purchase order to your supplier and still you haven't received the goods, and also purchase order haven't reached the delivery date. You can customize this grid by clicking the setting button. You can add columns, or if you want to remove, you can uncheck those columns. There are few inactivated buttons. If you select any purchase order, those buttons will activate. From here, you can print purchase orders, or you can delete purchase order, or you can upgrade the status. From search, you can search purchase orders. You can filter purchase orders. You can sort by multi-columns. You can export this purchase order to CSV file. In addition to that, by clicking these headings, you can sort these supplier purchase orders. You can sort by ascending or descending order. You can view number of purchase orders. And from actions, you can preview the purchase order, print the purchase order, email the purchase order. If you want to edit or delete, you can edit or delete. You can update status. If you want to convert this purchase order to an invoice, you can create invoice. If you want to copy this purchase order, you can copy this purchase order, and you can view history of this purchase order. Like that, you can create your supplier purchase orders.